Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, John Cologne Don. Welcome back to my official YouTube channel. We're here. Not only do we want you to look good, we want you to smell even better. Now, in today's video, as you know what we do on here, we get the samples in and we do an unwrapping and a first impression. And I'm going to let y'all know that I am super excited to test these suckers out. Sucker! So, without further ado, let's get the unwrapping. So, we got our trusty scissors. And we'll do this one first. Now, as some of y'all know, especially my Northeast people, spring is right around the corner. And so both of these are definitely spring-friendly fragrances. And they're also both fairly new spring fragrances. And the first one that we have is none other from the house of Valentino. And it's Valentino's new Uomo Born in Roma Yellow Dream. I'm a big fan of the House of Valentino. Those of you who have watched my Valentine's Day video, I did mention Valentino Uomo Intense, which happens to be one of my favorite fragrances, period. And just the House of Valentino itself it's on point. As you can see there, you know, nice simple sample advertising. You got the black with like the yellow on there, as you can see. Well, as you can see, I don't know if you can see the picture right there, but the bottle, I guess the juice in the bottle is actually yellow. All first impression, as some of y'all may know, yellow may represent some kind of like citrus, you know, lemon. This is my first impression as well. It will be y'all, so we on the same page here. Reading it, it says an Oriental fresh fragrance built around a crunchy gingerbread accord. I guess my whole citrus thing was just way off. But without further ado, oh snap, I don't drop it. But first, you know how we do. Kobe! So let's give Valentino Uomo Born in Roma Yellow Dream. That's a long name. That is a long name for a fragrance. Go. Bam. I wonder if this was used because that's on first spray, but Valentino came out with Valentino Born in Roma, and that was more of a, out of their fragrances, that was more of like on the sweeter side. Valentino Born in Roma kind of gave you a like Paco Rabanne type DNA with like you know 1 million or with Invictus Aqua, that kind of like real sweet bubblegum type feel. And this is what I'm kind of getting the exact same thing here. It is sweet. I'm getting the spice or that Oriental feel. I'm definitely getting that. But I'm also getting that kind of bubblegum type, you know, feel. This is sweet, and this is obviously, I would say, off the back, it is a more spring type summer fragrance. I'm kind of getting that feel. I'm not really getting the gingerbread. Yeah, I'm not really getting that right now. Maybe that's in the dry down or in the middle right now, but just off rip, I'm just getting the very sweet, spicy bubblegum, Paco Rabanne, Invictus Aqua type feel at the moment. But it's good. I like Paco Rabanne's, you know, Invictus and 1 million. I like that bubblegum smell. It is very vibrant and inviting. And for all my, you know, sweet people out there who like that sweet and kind of spicy, you know, more sweet and lightly spicy type feel, you know, this definitely one that you might like after, you know, my official review if that's what you guys want. But that kind of takes care of that one. Yeah. Sorry, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Now we got our trusty makeup remover to kind of get this off. Like I said, if you want to just, you know, try a fragrance and then take it off, makeup remover cloths are perfect for that. So we're gonna do that. All right. Now, while that's drying off, we're gonna go to our second sample. Now, for all of you who have watched my channel frequently, you know that I'm a big fan of Parfum de Marly, which is a niche fragrance. I've had Leighton Exclusive. I've had Pegasus. And so this one is a new release from the House of Parfum de Marly. This caught my attention for several reasons. One, obviously it's around the springtime, so it's definitely a springtime fragrance. Two, my favorite color is green, and it just so happens that is green. And 3, it also contains one of my favorite notes, and I've mentioned this before, which is apple. This is from the house of Parfums de Marly, and it's Parfums de Marly's Green Lee. We're gonna take the sample out. As you can see there, the bottle was obviously, green. If you were familiar with Parfums de Marly's, their bottles are pretty much just solid colors: red, dark blue, blue, silver, gold. It's green, great representation. Obviously, Greenlee. This is Greenlee is fresh and fruity. Interpretation of cashmere wood, a Hesperides. I'm not even gonna try to finish that one. Opening of Sicilian, bergamot, and mandarin with a fruity heart of apple and an elegant amber note leading to a woody base note. What that sounds like to me, this might be dope. This just might be dope. But as you know, we came here to give it a try, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Let's give it a try. There we go. Okay. Definitely getting that very earthy, fresh type feel from this one. Now, I'm a big fan of fresh fragrances. I love fragrances that are light, but not too light, but very fresh. I mean, I don't know what man doesn't want to smell very fresh and clean. And obviously, this being a niche fragrance, again, you're going to get some natural ingredients in this one. So that freshness is really popping off the back. This is not overpowering. I'm definitely not getting them citrus notes in this in the top. So off the back, I'm definitely getting a very light, fresh, citry smell. I'm actually really digging this. Actually, really impressed right now. But what's not to expect for the House of Parfums de Marly? Parfums de Marly, so far in my book, has hit every single fragrance on the head, in my personal opinion. I really love the fact that it's very unique. And for me, I don't like smelling like everybody else. So, if you're like that, Parfums de Marly is maybe a house you want to try. If you haven't tried it already, if you have tried it already, then you already know what Parfums de Marly is all about. Layton, I was very impressed with. Layton Exclusive. Pegasus was the bomb.com. And now we have Greenlee. And off first impression, I'm really enjoying this. Yes, we're getting that citrusy, fresh type feel. Yeah, that's good. All first impression, as I said, it sticks to exactly what the card is saying as far as it being fresh and fruity. I am kind of getting that kind of woody type feel at the moment.
That's what she said.
It's just so we're gonna see. We'll be having some fun under the boardwalk. We'll be making some love under the boardwalk. People having... Sorry, I'm going a little too...
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready now. So there you have it as far as my first impressions of Valentino's Born in Roma Yellow Dream and from the House of Parfums de Marly Greenlee. Both should be fun tries for the springtime. Both are I believe, the new releases of their houses. So again, give them a try. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about them. If you tried them already, you know what we do out here, y'all. Get at me. Till next time, y'all. As we always say here, be love.